Hello everyone, my name is Merk and I'm here in my tiny studio where I make my leather work. I'm known as leather craft master making accessories for fly fishing. I do it for 7 years already. I've been fishing since my childhood and I am already fly fishing like for 20 years. So this leather work for me, it's like the best thing what could happen. As fly fishing is my passion, so each and every singular item I make it with pleasure and passion, and I'm grateful for that. And in these episodes that I will make, I will try to explain my accessories from the functional side, also how do they look like inside and in macro perspective. So this is the soft leather case for tube flies. The size of it is 12 by 18. The leather is prepared with all the features that I have explained before. It's stitched by hand, no machinery is used. Also it is sealed with beeswax mixture to prevent from soaking the water in wet conditions. Let me show you how the whole process looks like working with leather. So this is the blank sheaf of leather that I am working with, making every item. So I am implementing some design aspects when I paint and shade the leather, and finally I dye it all around in brown, which is most popular color. It also can be black and any other. And then I apply varnish for 3 layers to have this nice glossy effect in the end, so you can see the difference, how the leather changes within the process. So let's take a look inside. Inside this case there are 5 totally transparent compartments for flies. Each compartment, it has 2 small holes on the purpose that flies would be able to breathe and be dry all the time. Also, lately I have added another feature, which is the sheet of slotted foam. So inside on this foam you can have spear hooks or wet flies, which will dry out more fast and more rapid when placing the wet fly in the compartment. Here in this compartments you can place even the largest flies that you use for early season salmon flies, which can be up to 15 centimeters of the wing length. Here is my personal one. As I have said, I have each and every accessory of mine by my own, and here you can see how many flies you can place in. It's quite a big number, so I can see how this case looks like performs in practice, and it's really nice case. In the description of this video you will find a direct link to my website where you will be able to find out more about these cases. Thank you.